Sighting in. Monday starts West Virginia deer season rifle, so we are just double checking to make sure everything is good. Shooting 150 grain. See our Game Kings, their reloads. You can't really see them, just soft points. They tear deer up. See if I can put you somewhere where you can kind of see the action, maybe. Not focusing very well. Put you over here. Can't see. Okay. Oops. Gotta save those. We've got some snow. Typically I like to shoot 3 times. But after this first, I took a shot right before I turned the camera on and I was like, ooh, I should make a little video out of this, because with the weather, as you can see, we haven't been able to get much done around here or anywhere. But after those 2 shots, I don't think there's any need to shoot again. She's right where she needs to be. I could bring it a touch to the left, but honestly, I don't think I need to. Just thought I'd make a quick video, because 'tis the season for shooting stuff. Let's see here. I typically like to be about an inch, inch and a half high at 100. Puts me on a dead on at 300 with this 30-06. There's my 2 shots. Aiming right there. So if anything, I can move it a ½ inch to the left, but I mean, honestly, not worth it. She's on, folks. Typical shot where we hunt in West Virginia. 150 yards would be your max. Average is about 80. So just can't see much further. It's real steep. Hopefully I'll get some video of hunting down there. Well, I'm gonna do my best to. I gotta come up with a bracket to hold the GoPro on the climbing tree stand, because that's what I use. So, but I just figured, that's a Winchester Model 70. That's the ones, one of the models. That was when they were, damn wind, they were made before they went to China. That was one of the last few that was still made in America. I bought that gun. Yeah, I don't want to say their name, but I bought it at a major department store, whatever you want to call it. When I was 16 years old, I bought that gun. It was $350 with the scope. I since have put a different scope on it. This is the Bushnell 3200 Elite, 3-9 by 42. It's a great gun, great scope. I've shot a lot of deer with this gun, a lot of deer. Let's see, 30-06 Springfield. But hell, that's just a look into sighting in. We're good to go. I'm gonna go home and stoke the fire, because it's cruddy out. Y'all have a good one.